Welcome to this video on creating visual content on Facebook. In today's fast-scrolling digital landscape, visual content is your best chance to stop the scroll. Whether it's a photo, graphic, video, or carousel, visuals don't just make your post more attractive, they bring your message to life. Great visuals help tell a story, highlighting your brand's personality, and make your content more memorable. On Facebook, where attention is limited and competition is high, incorporating strong visual elements can significantly boost engagement, reach, and shares. Let's dive in. Navigate to Facebook and click the image button in the top status bar to create a post. We are going to select the image we want to use and then use Facebook's built-in editing tools to make it come to life. Let's click the edit button here. We can click the effects button at the bottom to filter the image and enhance the visual appeal of it. We are then going to click the crop button on the top to resize the image. I just want to show the cinnamon rolls in this image, so I'm going to drag the box to just feature the rolls and click done. Next, I'm going to add text to the image by clicking on the text button on the top. I type my text, which reads cinnamon rolls, and now I'm going to swipe through the different types of fonts to see which one I want to choose. I'll click done when I find the one I like. Next, I'm going to write a caption for my post. The caption reads, "Fresh baked cinnamon rolls, come get some." I'm also going to add a location by clicking the red location icon and typing Portland, Oregon. I'll click next and review the post settings before clicking post. Now that we've successfully created a post, let's take a look at how to create a story. To create a story, we're going to click on the Create Story button and select the photo or video that we want to use. I selected a video of a variety of breads. Facebook has a lot of editing tools that you can choose from to enhance your story. I'm going to click the Stickers button and search up a sticker that says "Yum" to add to the story. I am then going to click the Text button to add text to the story. The text reads, "So many breads to choose from," and then to switch it up, I'm going to click the arrow button to see more of the editing features and click the Draw button to draw the C and the K for crumb and kettle and complete the name. I'm then going to add some music by clicking the Music button and selecting a song that fits the mood of the story. We've now successfully added a story. Now that you've learned how to edit and post visual content, let's explore a tool that'll help you take your visual content to the next level. Enter Canva, which is a tool for creating professional-looking graphics. This will help introduce variety into your posts. Let's start by going to www.canva.com and signing up for a free account. Follow the steps to create your account. Once your account is created, you can click the Create a Design button on the top. You'll see that Canva has a bunch of different types of templates to choose from, like presentations, social media, websites, etc. We're going to click on social media. We are then going to click on Facebook posts. Canva will take us to a blank canvas, but on the left side, you'll see all the templates you can choose from. We're going to find templates for desserts and choose the one we like. Once I've chosen the one that I like, the template will appear on the canvas and you can modify it by clicking the different pieces of the template directly. I want to replace the brownies image on the template with Crumb and Kettle's own images, so on the left panel, I'm going to click Upload and upload the image of cinnamon rolls that I want to use. When the image is uploaded, I am then going to drag it over the brownie picture and let go, and voila, the image is updated on the template. I'm now going to click the chocolate text on the top of the image and type in my own text of 50% sale. Next, I'll click the brownie text on the bottom and type in cinnamon rolls instead. Lastly, I'm going to change the handle text on the right to Crumb and Kettle's Instagram handle, at crumb_and_kettle. When you're happy with how the design turned out, you can click the share button at the top and then click download and then review the download settings. I'm happy with the settings as is, so I'm going to click download and the image will show up in my downloads folder. We're now going to go back to Facebook and create a post using the new image. We're going to caption the post, 50% off our mouth-watering cinnamon rolls, today only. Stop by and get yours before they sell out. And then we're going to post it. Throughout this video, we covered a range of tools and techniques to help you create compelling visual content for Facebook. Ultimately, great visual content is a blend of creativity, strategy, and a willingness to try new things. By practicing the techniques you've learned and pushing yourself to innovate, you can dramatically increase engagement, tell more impactful stories, and connect more deeply with your audience. Now, it's your turn. Start creating, stay curious, and have fun with it.